Today we have LPR BOX Cyclops for review, and I will tell you what kind of device it is, how it works, and what it is used for. So what is this device? Let's start with the dimensions. The LPR box is about the size of a computer mouse, which means it is very compact, can be placed in any room, any closet, or anywhere, and it won't take up much space. First and foremost, the LPR box Cyclops is a license plate recognition device, but it has a lot more to offer. Points. Other features, for example, it has a web server that allows you to connect to the system using a web browser from anywhere in the world. LPR box. Cyclops is also integrated with the Telegram messenger, meaning you can receive notifications directly to your smartphone. The device is equipped with a micro SD card for storing data, such as screenshots of recognized cars and databases. Data. If you need to install LPR box in places where there is no wired internet, you can use 3G or 4G modems, and in this case, the device will transmit data, for example, to a server using 3G or 34 wireless technology. Very convenient. Let's move on. How does it work? In order for LPR box to work, you need to connect any IP camera via the RTSP protocol to the device. Then you make a minimum number of settings and the device is ready to go. The principle is very simple. If the camera sees the license plate, transmits the video image to the LPR box, the LPR box Cyclops processes it, recognizes the license plate, and saves the license plate information and its screenshot to the database. Where can it be used? It can be used as a home solution. For example, in situations where you need to track which cars pass by your house. Or for example, you need to track when a certain car enters your home's territory. To do this, install the LPR box. You install a camera, set up a telegram, and you can see on your smartphone when the car passes your house. It can also be used if you are a developer and you need to integrate a license plate recognition solution into any other system. It can be your system or some other system, it doesn't matter. You need to integrate. We provide an SDK for integration for developers for free, and you can do it with ease. And the third option is perhaps a safe city. In cases where a camera is installed and it more or less sees license plates, and you need to make this camera recognize license plates, an additional LPR box is installed, and the ordinary camera turns into a modem camera with license plate recognition. And then this data is transferred to the server. Again, if it's a server from another manufacturer, you can integrate it using the SDK. So how do you set up the LPR box Cyclops itself? It is very simple. As I said, it has a web server on board. This allows you to open a browser on any device, a computer, laptop, smartphone, tablet, connect to LPR box, and perform certain settings. In addition, you can monitor in real time how license plates are recognized and generate reports. Who drove by, what license plate number drove by, what license plates drove by over a certain period of time. This is all done right through a web browser, which is very convenient. If you are not near an LPR box, this can be done via the internet, again using a web browser. By connecting to the LPR box while on vacation, you can still see which cars pass by your house, for example. If we are talking about a solution for at home. Let's move on. Question: can I connect it to the server? Yes, you can. In cases where you need more than one LPR box device and the database is centralized, you can use the ZetPro VMS software. This software will be used as a server and will store the data. And you will have one database and several LPR box Cyclops devices. And the second very interesting point, you can connect to a ZetPro brand video recorder. In this case, all data of the expired license plates will be stored right on ZetPro recorder. And by connecting to the registrar, using the same web browser or a special application, you can search by license plate number, who drove by when, and store this information on your hard disk. Very convenient. Let's move on. How do I receive alarm notifications? Everything is very simple. As I said, LPR Box is integrated with the Telegram Messenger. It is very easy to set up. You create your own personal Telegram bot, with the help of which you will receive blacklist alerts in your smartphone. That is, you have added a specific number to the blacklist in LPR Box. When this number appears on the camera, you will immediately receive alarm notifications on your smartphone. This was it, a brief overview of the LPR Box Cyclops device. For more information, please call the numbers listed on our website kobe.ua.